everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aurora, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a French roll. No, we're not baking bread here. This is a hair channel. I'm going to show you what's also known as a French twist. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek of that right behind me. And of course, this up style is based in the back, so here you go. Now let's get started. So first I'm going to start off with a couple pumps of my Design Me Gloss Me Hair Serum, and I'm going to distribute that all over the hair. Because I'm making a traditional French twist, I need plenty of hair serum to make sure that the hair is completely sleek and frizz-free. If I were making a modern French twist, well, that hairstyle requires a lot more texture, so I wouldn't need the hair to be as sleek. Next, I'm going to gather all the hair to one side while smoothing out any bumps I may have created. And then I'm going to bring all of the hair back to the middle and start twisting it upwards. Once I have my twist, I'm going to tighten that twist as much as I can before going in with my bobby pins. To secure and hide my bobby pin, I always start in the opposite direction. To hide the ends, I'm going to apply some hair serum to smooth out the ends, and then I'm going to start twisting it into a circle on top of that twist. I like to use my fork comb to help guide the hair to where I need it to go. And like I mentioned earlier, I like to insert my bobby pin starting from the opposite direction, and then I will make contact with the scalp before twisting it and inserting it where I want it to go before completely hiding it. I love this trick because the bobby pin feels really secure once I apply it this way. And I don't need a second bobby pin to lock in the first one. Now I will be using my Design Me Homemade 3-Ways hairspray on the medium setting to smooth down the flyaways and make sure the sides look really sleek and flat. I have a bad habit of using my hands to lay down the flyaways on a hairstyle. The reason why you don't want to do that is because once the hairspray dries in your hands, it makes your hands sticky. So it's just going to raise those flyaways that you were trying to lay down. So it's better to use a comb. So I will switch between my hands and the Pink Pewter Never Let Go styling comb, because I've noticed that when hairspray dries on a tool, it's not as sticky as it would be on your hands. So it's always a good idea to use like a rat tail comb. Here I am very gently using my fork comb to comb the flyaways into place. And then I like to use the tail end of my Pink Pewter Never Let Go styling comb to make sure that the ends at the top of the twist are in a nice and neat swirl. Well, that's it for today, guys. I thank you so much for watching. If you could please press that like and subscribe button so I know you guys are enjoying my channel. Also, go follow my Instagram page at Hair by Princess Aurora for any updates that I may post there. And if you do all that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe out there, count your blessings, and keep it humble. Bye.